Hello again guys, in this quick video, I'll show you how to add people on Telegram. First, just open your Telegram application in your desktop or laptop device. And from here, you will see three horizontal lines here located at the upper left corner. And go to Contacts. And from here, you will see an Add Contact located below. Just click this option, and to add a new contact, just type here the first name of your contact, the last name, as well as the phone number. After adding those information, just click this create. And that's it guys on how to add people on Telegram. If you think that this video helps you a lot, keep following and subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys.